so Alexander, thank you for joining us. You've come and brought us some fine art. We're going to get you sharing some of your work and drawings for us later. Do you want to tell me a bit of a history of some of these characters? Some of them are quite dark, but tell me a bit of history. Where are these coming from?
I don't know. I play a lot of like first-person shooters and stuff like that. Call of Duty, maybe, and that's where all the guns and stuff comes from. This actually, and these characters, was a dream a couple of days ago, and it had this character in it, and he was he wasn't naked. I don't know why he's naked, but
well, that's just art.
Yeah.
Naked. That's the way it happens.
Yeah.
But you've got obviously quite an interest in faces.
Yeah, definitely.
Do you do a lot of portraits, or is it just pure from your mind and imagination that you create the faces?
These are all from imagination. I think it's in this one. There they are. I was recently at dance camp, and these were the people around me. Wow. So I drew them, but as you can see, they're very different. Yeah. So I'm not very confident when I'm drawing somebody who's actually real. Whereas here, I'm just like, oh, right, I can make it up on my own.
But yeah, you went and did me.
Yeah, yeah.
And I didn't even know. Okay, so from the back and the rest of it, but you can still see that's my face, and the rest of it with my, the shape of it, and the hair and everything is just completely uneven to the point of the body. You can still see it's me. So it's like you've got an amazing eye to capture that, and you've done that in about 5 seconds. So it's like it's not taking me very long at all. So I'm very impressed by that.